Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. You may have guessed it, we're not down in Paphos, no. We're in uptown Paphos and we're in the old town. We're going to storm one of these streets which is lined with gift shop after gift shop. It's absolutely buzzing. It's an early morning and the sun is beaming, but it's quite acceptable. Bring your money, bring your wife. I'll take mine. But before we do, I have to introduce you to mine. Her name is Grisivila. She's the most beautiful woman in the world.
Hello everybody. How nice to see you again and again.
And again. Stick with us. We're going to storm this street and share with you some of the beauty, some of the splendour and some of the great gift shops that are along the way. There we are. So those are like those pumpkins, aren't they? Which they dry out.
Wow. But what a beautiful thing the nature is. Such things can grow in the nature. Wow.
Yeah, nature is a wonderful, wonderful thing, that's for sure. So you've got a gift shop after gift shop. If you want to be the boss, well, this is the place to come, because you can change your name from Mr. Jordan to Mr. Boss to Mr. Gucci. You've got Mr. Adidas. You can even be an Armani, or you can be a Mr. Calvin. Great place to come. I always like a bit of Hugo Boss myself. You see me?
And I would say I totally like this one, by the way.
You like that one?
It's $5.99.
Yeah, very good.
It's got something about it. The three magic stripes of Adidas.
And they've got the other colours.
They've got black, isn't it? Yeah, and there's black. There we are.
They're all beautiful.
Yeah.
You should come in.
Very good quality t-shirts, to be honest, at a fair price. And plenty of baseball caps. And plenty of Grisivila booth hats. And there's more down the side. Let's go and have a look. So it's a great gift shop. There we are. You can have Mr. North Face, Mr. Tommy Hilfiger. You've got Mr. Gant, Mr. Levi's. And if you want to have an I Love Cyprus t-shirt, they've got those as well. And all the cats of Cyprus. There we are. Everyone likes a good cat. So you've got the big mouth cat, the dizzy cat, the furious cat, the exhausted cat, the romantic cat, the wicked cat, the shy cat, and the confused cat. And I've got a cat of my own, and he's called the greedy cat, that's for sure. You see me?
Everybody wants to watch these lovely market areas, especially after being renovated. It's so nice things to see. It's so fresh atmosphere. And of course, if you're hungry or thirsty, you can always find the cafeterias or the restaurants or the snack bars to eat.
Yeah, it's that kind of place. It's buzzing in the mornings. Obviously, as it gets hotter and hotter, people, should we say, go off and have lunch, and then they chill out and they tend not to come back. So get yourself down here early, bring a couple of bob with you, and you're going to have a great time indeed, that's for sure. Grisivila booth is now looking at the hats.
By the way, all these hats are beautiful.
Let's go that way. Stick with us. We've got gift shop after gift shop. On this side over here, we've got a great shop that does these, I don't know what these are called, but I know you put them on top of the tablecloths.
They are all like handmade?
Yeah. And they always make the table look that extra special. Again, there we've got that Christmas theme going on. We'll have a pop inside and have a quick look. There we are. Thanks very much. So we've got tablecloth after tablecloth, works of art in the shop, that is for sure.
And here I can get lost. Exactly how I'm saying. The variety, it's huge. And for all the reasons, for a whole tablecloth, or the small... Γεια σας. Είστε καλά? Ευχαριστούμε.
Great warm welcome. So if you want that special tablecloth or that special coaster, there's all sorts going on here. It can be that special gift for that special person in your life, your mother, your grandmother, your neighbours, that sort of thing. Even a simple gift like a pack of tea cloths. It's not going to cost you a fortune to take that little present back to wherever you may from. We understand not all our viewers are from the UK. You can be from Germany, you can be from Antwerp. Yes, Mr. Phil, we've not forgotten you, that's for sure. Pacific?
The colour, that yellow colour, I have never seen by the way.
Very vibrant indeed, yeah. The colours are getting more and more vibrant as time goes on. Have a look at that one there.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And you know, they've got probably
Gentleman's going to get it down for us.
Tablecloth,
yeah.
Then there is
They'll have a matching set, I would imagine, yeah. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Great vibrant colours.
And it's only
sure.
the Katria.
Yeah. Very, very nice indeed.
13 euros.
Only 13 euros that one. So that's, to us from the UK, that's a very, very reasonable price. We understand if we were in the UK, you'd probably be paying 50 to 60 pounds for some of these things. That one there again is a very similar price. Great, great place. Great, great place. On the chat. The chat wants to know what's going on, so we'll give him one of our little magic cards. That's one of them things. Aristopoli, thanks very much. So we're going to continue on our travels. We've got another one that's selling tablecloths and throws, and again some beautiful, beautiful, vibrant colours and some great, great pillowcases. Have a look at those. True works of art. And again, if you're into your cats and you're into your dogs, they've got something for everyone. Even an owl hiding around the back there. So there's various pillowcases in different crafts and different arts. Then there's some small tablecloths for that little side table. And I particularly like these little umbrellas. Very, very cute indeed. Great, great shop to come and have a look. That's for sure. Christina LeBouf is deep in conversation with this trader, and she's explaining to him what's going on. And the doors are slowly, slowly opening for us, so they're going to allow us to go into their shops time and time again to film. So if there's a shop in the old time that you fancy, you drop in the comments, and we're going to have a little chat with them. And slowly but surely now they're all coming to understand that we mean them no harm, and that we are trying to promote the life out of their businesses. So they're giving us that courtesy, shall we say. We'll see he's having a chat.
Yeah, I've just got a present from Mr. Andros.
Thanks, Mr. Andros.
Thank you.
Is this your mother?
Welcome, my mother.
Yes, Aristopoli.
And you know what I understand? This is a handmade and
Yes,
a
it is.
very clean product, clothes.
Yes.
With the natural material.
Have you told Mr. Andros we'll come around every 2 or 3 weeks?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Andros. Faristopoli. We must move on, because the idea is to try and share the love with all of the street traders, and they're all doing a great, great job. Another great, great shop, and a great smile on that lady's face. And these are what you put on top of your bottles of wine. Again, something that's becoming more and more popular. And my auntie in the UK is obsessed by these. She absolutely loves them. And she's very much into these as well.
Handmade Lefkara.
Where you can put your cutlery in. This is something that she absolutely adores. And I know a lot of people do. Often when we go to people's houses and they present us with a bottle of wine, they have these little gowns on them.
Yes.
So a great, great idea, and only €2.50.
Aprons on the bottle. How
Great.
cute,
Yep.
how sweet.
Again,
huh?
we're trying to give you ideas, and simple, cheap ideas. If you present that to your neighbour or your friend, they're going to be your friend for life, that's for sure. And it only costs you €2.50. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Look at some of these.
Imagination of olive trees. Look at this beauty, please. Look at this beauty. Imagination of olive trees together with the olive fruit on it, or how you call it. And this is the mats, and this is even the pillow. Beautiful.
Great, great shop. Works of art in here. And again, back onto the Christmas theme, because a lot of people coming to Cyprus now might be thinking about Christmas when they go back. So you can buy this kind of thing and make your Christmas that extra special, that's for
And
sure.
also I would like to pay attention about this beauty.
Work of art. An absolute work of art, yeah. Open it out.
You know, this is some...
The tree of the life.
Wow,
There we are.
wow.
Look at
Tree
that.
of the life.
Absolutely beautiful. How much is that?
It's 42 euros.
42 euros. There we go. So,
We make better price.
yes, I understand
Yes,
that.
sure.
So that's the starting price, 42 euros. So we're talking about £38. You're not buying that back in the UK for that price, that's
Yeah.
for sure. You're going to pay twice that.
Good quality.
Beautiful.
And
Good
also,
quality.
the same, but look at this. Yeah.
Works
the
of
same
art.
idea,
Absolute works of
but
art.
it's so beautiful, cute.
So let's have a quick walk round and show you some of the other art in here. We could be in here all day, obviously, but please take the time to come and have a look for that special gift for your own table, or for your friends, your wife's, your girlfriends, your aunties, your uncles, or even your neighbour's table, that's for sure. A shop full of art. Obviously everyone has different taste, but there are works of art. Again, continuing the Christmas theme, it literally is round the corner, Christmas. So now is the time to purchase so that you're ready.
It's so huge assortment of the variety of such a things here, every housewife, and not only housewife, by the way, can find the clothes or the tablecloth or whatever they have here of your dream. And I'm more than sure will be very good, best quality.
We will. So we're going to carry on with our trek. We'll say thank you very much. We're going to carry on our trek because the idea is to share the love to everyone. We've got a gift shop over here that's selling works of art again. Look at this. There is something for absolutely everybody. Handbags galore, t-shirts, these little gifts. There's all sorts going on. Absolutely beautiful. Receiver LeBouf is obsessed now.
I mean, I can't leave because, as you understand, you know me, that I like things like these, and always, you know, it's like a magnet for me. I'm coming back to see him again and again.
That's why it's time to move on. Right, keep going. We've got a leather shop, so they've got shoes in there, handbags, genuine leather wallets. Obviously, the price goes up that little bit, but it's genuine leather, and it keeps going and going and going. Then they've got some canvas bags, they've got some rucksacks. So again, perhaps for that grandchild, that could be the special gift. For the young man, that could be it. There's various belts, suitcases, more and more wallets. There's too much for the eye to actually comprehend.
Yes.
And now we get to a more traditional gift shop, which is selling sunglasses, sandals, fridge magnets, little glow balls with your name on and all that kind of stuff. And then over here, you've got some chewy things and some herbs. And some authentic natural sea sponges, some Crocs, key rings, etc, etc. Great, great streets to come down. You could probably spend a couple of hours on each street, that is for sure.
These things you have to hang around the door in the entrance of yours, and it will always bring luck to your house.
And how much is that?
It says something, I can't see.
€2.95. Yeah, $9.95. $9.95. Could be that perfect gift. Perfect gift.
It must be the handmade.
Perfect gift. €10, and you can give someone that perfect gift of luck and welcome to their old home, or perhaps even their new home. Receiver LeBouf?
Well, what can I say? I'm amazed, and I really, really believe that when people come here, they will be not only satisfied after the buyings they will have, but after the area, and the hospitality of these people makes you to smile, and it's so tranquil. There is something about this place. Anyway, thank you very, very much for watching. I enjoyed personally the views around here, and I hope that you did too. Please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Loving you to bits, and many kisses.
What Steph going to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you do like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. Come back for the next episode, and guess what? We'll be wandering around in the old town because it's a great place to be.